elevate your SEO game in 2024? Let's dive into the top rank trackers that are shaping the digital landscape. 1. Best Overall Rank Tracker, Nightwatch, a comprehensive SEO powerhouse with features like keyword tracking, backlink monitoring, and competitor insights. 2. Best All-in-One Tool, SEMrush, offering advanced features and integration options for comprehensive SEO and content marketing strategies. 3. Best User Experience, Serpal, perfect for SEO beginners with its user-friendly interface and intuitive dashboard. 4. Best Comprehensive Analysis, Ahrefs, known for detailed keyword research, site audits, and a wide array of SEO tools. 5. Best Budget Conscious Option, Pro Rank Tracker, economical plans catering to users monitoring fewer terms. 6. Best In-Depth Reporting, Rank Ranger, extensive SEO toolkit providing customizable metrics and detailed reporting. 7. Best Real-Time Data, Zootrix, AI-powered technology delivering highly accurate and real-time keyword position updates. 8. Best Precision Tracking, AccuRanker, fast SERP checking and precision-focused tracking, ideal for enterprises and SEO agencies. 9. Best Visual Data Representation, Nozzle, specializing in data visualization with customizable reporting widgets. Each tool brings something unique to the table, catering to various user needs and SEO objectives. Like, subscribe, and share for more updates. Brand locally, easy and affordable.